Hi, I'm Renee, Director of Kittens University. Join us for our Nail Mastery course at Kitten Claws, where you will learn all the skills on how to have a successful nail career or be a business owner. In this course, we will cover all aspects on how to be a nail technician, including social media and business management. Upon completion, you will receive your certificate and be well on your way to start your nail journey.
Yeah, it's been really enjoyable. It's very comfortable. I haven't felt nervous at all. I felt very invited and very safe here. I've been able to ask questions and not felt very silly about questions, which is the big thing I was worried about.
They've been really helpful in just making sure you understand everything you're doing, and if you're not getting something, they just help you out with whatever it is.